Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing good. Summers are all set with scorching heat to give us all terrible headaches. Apply a compress of mint leaves to your forehead or drink soothing juice made from it. So yes, today's topic is mint or Pudina. Mint is a perennial with very fragrant leaves and tiny purple, pink or white flowers. It has a fruity aromatic taste. Mint is very easy to grow for beginners. Gardeners also recognize this perennial herb as an aggressive grower. You can see in the video how from a small gap near the wall mint has popped up. They are vigorous spreaders, so be careful where you plant it. Choose any one of the 600 varieties of mint and give it plenty of water and sun to keep your mint plant thriving. Now there is a saying, if any man can name all the varieties of mint, he must know how many fishes swim in Indian Ocean. So yes, there are many varieties of mint. It is very tough to name a particular mint. Mint doesn't germinate from seed easily. So only the most experienced gardeners should start it from seed. Ideally, they prefer a moist but well-drained site, something like their native habitat along stream banks. For the best growth in confined areas such as containers, top-dress plants with a thin layer of compost or organic fertilizers every few months. In the garden, plant mint near cabbage and tomatoes. Minimal care is needed for mint. At first, mint develop into well-behaved looking bushy upright clumps, but soon they set out to conquer new territory with horizontal runners and underground rhizomes. Mice dislike the smell of peppermint. Spread it liberally wherever you suspect critters. It is also a day-resistant plant. Right before flowers, cut the stems 1 inch from the ground. You can also harvest one mint plant 2 to 3 times in the growing season. You can also just pick the leaves as you need. Then for propagation, take mint cuttings for say 6 inches long at least. Remove its leaves and put them all in a cup filled with sand with many holes. Now you can put the cup in some pot or in a cup of water to maintain good amount of moisture. Now here I have taken a cutting and buried in the soil right that way, and soon that is gonna spread. Mints are really a relief in the summer. And as you have seen in the video, there are also roses blooming but not that healthy. So the next video would be on pruning our roses. Little tough task because so well grown roses to be cut. So thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.